guys, I did a little burnout in the rain clippings here, and I made it to a stoplight and started accelerating out of the stoplight, and Big Bertha might have knocked a little bit. GMT 800's observing threatening situations. She sounds fine. We'll find out. Well guys, I think I just heard it again right before I left, so I think I'm going to put a quart of oil in this little girl. I believe I ran her out of oil. She's been burning oil for a while, but I ran her real hard this time. She burned a lot of oil. We'll find out. Little update on the situation here. After paying $10 for overpriced oil at Circle K, it just decided to start pouring. So I'm gonna be out there standing in rain clippings pouring oil into this little girl, but we'll see. God damn rain clippings! Basically, my goal is to hit 222,000 miles in this car at least, and we're so close. That she sounds a little quiet. Anyways, guess I'll get moving here. I really do think I ran this car out of oil just now, and it's purring again. You just cannot kill a 4.6. You just can't kill a 4.6. Guys, that got my adrenaline pumping a little bit. When you own a car for so long and put so many miles on it, I don't care if it's a $100,000 car you bought brand new or it's a $1,200 beater like this, you get attached to it. A lot of memories, a lot of job changes. I moved several times. I just don't understand that. Well, yeah, she burns about a quart of oil every 2,000 miles usually. I don't know if she's burning more now or what that was about, or maybe I'm just beating the hell out of this car and it's finally catching up to it. I mean, for the last 60,000 miles, I've been doing all kinds of stuff to this car, and I'm really, really bad with cold start flooring it. Well, I think I hear a noise actually. What is that noise? Tomorrow I gotta do a video on Neil about his oil pressure. If you guys heard me talk about it a couple times in both of his videos. As it's warmed up, his oil pressure is a little lower now. We're going to take care of that, but at the same time, I'm going to check this thing out. It might be a pulley. I didn't even check to see if this is low in oil. I just assumed. We'll find out. Yeah, I hear something rattling. Yeah, I finally broke one of the original accessories on this front of this engine. I wouldn't be surprised. When you do burnouts like that and you rev it out so hard like that, all of your accessories are also spinning as hard as the engine is. Actually killed an AC compressor doing that. Let it rev all the way out and AC stopped working for a second, and then it started working again. Quarter throttle. Well, she still makes compression. attention, Hoss. That's why I don't like to be right by people. Guy in the van wasn't paying attention. Didn't even see the guy turning in front of him till the last second. Genuinely surprised to see a Honda on the side of the road. Yeah, just cut him off, Hoss. Cut him off. Is that the Tahoe I thought I just saw? I'll have to look at that. Rewatch the video. Either way, I'm threatened. Gotta love it when your car winks traffic every time you turn the wipers on. Very, very underrated beater mod right there. I've had so many laughs at reactions. That's not even funny. You know, Big Bertha just loves winking. She might be old, but man, she loves winking. Imagine you're just tooling down the road and you see this car start passing you and it winks you. Man, I love this car. That's little things like that that make this car so much fun to drive. If I had to say it, this car is 100 times more fun than any newer car I've driven so far. And I've driven a lot of cars. A lot. There's just something about the money that it saved me and all the laughs and all the miles I put on this car, and I just love it. I'm always checking these car lots to see if there's another town car, because I do eventually plan on buying a nicer one to keep as a summer daily, but I'm not going to drive it in the winter. And I don't know if I can sell this car. Believe me, I've tried to get myself to sell this car 2 years now, and I just can't do it. I'm too attached. The car owes me literally nothing. If the channel blows up, I'm going to turn this car into something special, you know? And I keep her crusty personality, but I'm going to make her fast and wild. What do you guys think? Comment down below if you'd like to see that. Guy's car next to me is making more noise than my car. Sounds like his AC compressor. Big Bertha's just purring. Limiter. Can we get third? Can we get third? Man, this guy's really watching me. Oh man. Nothing like spinning 1 and 2. Gotta love that burnout lube, Hosses. The way that guy was hanging with me. I don't know if you guys could see that. Yeah, there's a car that's just sitting there spinning his tires like an idiot. Oh yeah, let's just hang right next to him. And I was at 28 miles a gallon. I just really did myself in there. Oh well, it was worth it. It's miles per gallon. Oh yeah, she's fine. Even the transmission's fine. Hey, look at the spray on that truck. Man, you just cannot kill this car. You just can't. This is my favorite part about this car right here. Listening to a V8 turn at low RPMs. I mean, I've owned this car for so long and that noise has not gotten old. I love that sound. Yeah, look at this hoss. Better watch out for them rain clippings. Jesus, is that stock? Are you serious? I shouldn't even be surprised. It's a Hyundai anyways. I've never seen that before. Oh yeah, let's just put the emblem on the rear window. You know, we're gonna make the back of the car so small, it'll make the window so big that we don't have space for the emblem. So we're just gonna throw it onto the back of the window like it's some, no, he just got the light. Oh man, that's nice. You guys get to see this. I swear to F, Kia and Hyundai owners help paint for fun. Man, if that's stock, dude. Jesus. Oh man. Purring as usual. Well guys, I made it home. Car's fine. That did give me a scare though. I don't know if I ran it out of oil or not, but that knock did not sound good at all. I didn't even mean to record that. I accidentally started recording twice after the burnout, and I'm lucky that I did. When I heard that sound, my heart about fell out of me. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I gotta work on that threat sitting behind me tomorrow and take care of that oil pressure.